How to track spending by category in Money Manager. In this video, I'll show you how to track your spending by category using the Money Manager app. Let's get started. First, open the app on your device and make sure it's up to date for the latest features. Now, at the bottom of the screen, tap on this Stats tab. Okay, tap on it. This is where the magic happens. You will see your overall income, expenses, and visual breakdowns. Like you can see the expenses right here. Now once you tap on this income, you can see the income right here. Okay, you'll get to see your spending by the month like this. Okay, now you can just tap on the category pie chart right here. Now here you will see a list of all your spendings like household, transport, culture, education, beauty. Each category shows the total amount spent, a percentage of your total expenses, and sometimes a color-coded bar or chart segment like this. This makes it super easy to see which areas are eating up most of your money. As you can see, transport is eating most of your money, and the second is household. Like this, you can analyze from seeing the bar chart and pie chart and more from this. And that's it. Now you know how to track your expenses by category using the Money Manager app. If this video helped you, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.